Hello again. My name is Eli Habib, mechanical engineer from Lebanon, expert in SolidWorks. Welcome to my YouTube channel, SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. Today we will do part 6. So first of all, let's open the drawing of the part 6. This is the drawing of the part 6. We have two circles there. Like we see, a circle cut here and another circle cut there. Another third circle here cut also. Here the thickness is A, it's 6 millimeter. Rectangle extrude cut, here circle extrude cut. So let's start by drawing these two circles. Let's open SolidWorks. Check that the dimensions here are in millimeter. Click left click on front plane, right click normal to, then click on sketch, then circle, center circle, and draw two circles concentric that have the same center here. The first dimension is 64 and the other dimension is 100 millimeter. 64. $100 millimeter. Okay, perfect. Now let's extrude it by 40 millimeter. That is extrude. The width here is 40 millimeter as mentioned there. I click on feature, extrude, and I click or type on the keyboard 40 millimeter. That's it. Okay, now let's draw this rectangle there, 75 millimeter from the center and 50. 75 millimeter. And 50, I can offset it 25 from the left and 25 to the right. 25, and I choose here bi-directional. So it's 25 there. Okay, so now I've obtained 50 millimeter and 75 from the center here. I close the sketch here. And I click on this edge of the circle and click on convert entities in order to convert the circle, in order to do the trim, in order to close the sketch. So here it's, all right, it's 25 by 25 and 75 millimeter. This sketch is closed. I can extrude it by 40 millimeter. Feature extrude. I can change direction there and click 40 millimeter. It's already written 40 millimeter. I click on OK. Now let's save it. It's part 6. Right click, normal to. Then I want to do this cut here, a rectangle cut of thickness 6 millimeter. What to do? Sketch. I choose this plane here. I choose rectangle. Right click, select. The width here is 6 millimeter. So here I want to choose a center line from the center to the center out there. This is the center here. And these two centers should be aligned. So I click here. This is for construction. And this is should be vertical. All right, it's now vertical. Now I can drag it. Catch this edge point, drag it up. Catch this edge point and drag it down. Like you see here, it's perfect, it's fully defined. Now I can cut it and do feature, extrude cut. Okay, then save it. Right click, normal to. Okay. Now let's draw this circle here, diameter 15 millimeter, and do this cut. I can draw this diameter here. The midpoint is there, the orange point. Then diameter should be 15 millimeter. Smart dimension, 15. Now I can cut it. Feature, extrude cut, through all. Perfect. Now let's draw these two circles there. Okay, I have from the center to the center, I have a length of 100 millimeter. And they are horizontal from the center to the center. Normal to sketch, center line, horizontal, should be tagged in yellow. Right click select, I choose smart dimension, here length of 100 millimeter. Okay, I draw two circles. The small 25 and the big is 50. 25 and 50 of diameter. And extrude, as mentioned there, is 40 millimeter. Feature, extrude. I switch the direction by clicking here. Okay. This extrude there and the bottom extrude are missing. Let's draw them. The extrude there is 10 millimeter. It's in the middle of this extrude of 40 millimeter. I mean that here we have, for example, it's an extrude of 40 millimeter. The center of this rectangle should be distance 20 millimeter from this edge. So I should choose a plane that is mid plane from this surface here and this surface there. How to draw this mid plane? I have here reference. I choose plane. I should choose a plane that is the mid plane between this surface there and this surface there. So I click first, left click on this circle, I left click on this another circle. I have obtained this mid plane. Its name is plane 1. I can, for a better vision, drag it like this to see it. So let's draw this. This is line tangent on the circle and tangent also on the small circle. Right click normal to on the plane one, then sketch, click on sketch, draw a random line like this, right click select. We can hide this plane for a better vision, right click hide, then click on this line, control this circle and click add relation tangent, and this line, control this circle and add relation tangent. Okay, I can here click on this and convert entities and click on this circle also convert. I can drag it. Okay, so now we should close the sketch by drawing this line there. This line is an offset from the X line of the circles by 5 millimeter. So this is the line, for example, random line like this. This is an horizontal and offset here, it's 5 millimeter. I click smart dimension from this center to this line. It's 5 millimeter. I can drag it here. Okay, now let's trim the outside line in order to have a closed contour sketch. Trim, trim, here also, fine. Perfect, I have obtained a closed sketch. I can extrude it. It's fully defined also. I should extrude it by 10 millimeter. I can rotate it by the wheel of the mouse, feature, extrude. I choose here, instead of 40, I choose 10 millimeter. Instead of line, I choose mid plane. I click on yes, that's it. Finally, I should draw this. Offset 5 millimeter from the center line and 5 millimeter the bottom of the X line. Okay, and this should be drawn not on the plane one. This sketch should be drawn on this surface. Left click, right click, normal to. Then I click on sketch, sketch. I click on line. Then I draw a random line, for example, like this. This random line should be 5 millimeter. First of all, it should be horizontal and 5 millimeter from the center to the center. And another line, for example, this line like this, horizontal, should have a distance as mentioned here, 10 millimeter. Smart dimension, I click here on 10 millimeter. Okay. And now to close the sketch, I can click on the circle, convert entities and other circle, convert entities and do the trim. So I can click on feature, extrude boss, switch the direction there and click instead of line up to surface and choose this surface there. So let's check if we missed anything. Okay, perfect. You have drawn everything, every feature on SolidWorks. Now we can choose the color. For example, this color would be great. Save it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial of how to draw part 6 on SolidWorks. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.